Have you ever wondered what reality is really made of? Not just atoms or stardust, but what lies beneath all of it? That's exactly what Itzhak Bentov sets out to explore in his mind-bending book, Stalking the Wild Pendulum. Let me break it down in simple terms. Because trust me, it's wild, but it makes a weird kind of sense. First, Bentov says, everything is vibration. Literally, everything. Atoms, planets, your thoughts, my voice. All of it is just different patterns of waves and rhythms. Even consciousness, your sense of being alive, is like an energy field, vibrating in its own unique way. Now picture a pendulum. Bentov uses it as a metaphor for how everything swings between two opposites. Life, death, waking, sleeping, material, spiritual. But here's the twist. The most important moment is that tiny, silent pause right in the middle when the pendulum changes direction. That's the still point. According to Bentov, it's like the timeless now. If I can tune into that stillness, my awareness expands. I get a glimpse of something bigger, something infinite. What about time? Bentov says our sense of past, present, and future is just an illusion. It's a side effect of how I perceive change. But in deep meditation, or those rare mystical experiences, it's possible to step out of time, like hitting pause right at that pendulum's center. Here's where it gets personal. My body, especially my heart and brain, acts like an antenna. Through meditation and focused awareness, I can tune myself to the rhythms of the universe. This isn't just poetic. Bentov believed our biology is built to pick up on these cosmic frequencies, and that's how mystical experiences happen. He maps out states of consciousness, ordinary waking life, dreaming deep sleep, and then transcendence. That last state, it's when I feel fully connected, timeless, beyond the usual boundaries of self. That's where the magic happens. Bentov's big idea is that humanity is evolving, not just in body but in spirit. The goal is to sync up my awareness with the bigger cosmic dance. And here's the kicker. He tries to explain mystical stuff, like out-of-body experiences and sudden awakenings, using physics and biology. Bentov believed mystical states aren't supernatural at all. They're just part of how consciousness naturally works. So, in the end, Bentov saw consciousness as a universal force, and the wild pendulum as a symbol for how reality and awareness swing between opposites. But in that quiet, mysterious still point, I can meet the infinite. And maybe, for a moment, truly understand what it means to be alive.